Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Knowledge, Chapter 2, Shloka number 60. The turbulent senses, O son of Kunti, do violently carry away the mind of a wise man, though he may be striving to control them.
Chapter 2, Shloka 60. Yatato ह्यपि कौन्तेय पुरुषस्य विपश्चितः इन्द्रियाणि प्रमाथीनि हरन्ति प्रसभं मनः.
Chapter 2, Shloka number 60. In this shloka, the importance of controlling the senses is highlighted. Are controlling the senses more important than steadiness gained through knowledge? Lord Krishna says that the turbulent senses forcefully carry away the mind of a wise man, though he is making all efforts to control them. Having knowledge about any subject is important, but unless that information is converted into a subjective experience, it is all waste. It is just sweat. A complete technique by which we can have a subjective experience must be followed to become a man of steady wisdom. Ignorance expresses as sattva, rajas and tamas, which are unactivity, activity and inactivity respectively. When sattva aspect is hidden by the veiling of the intellect, the disturbances of the mind and the indulgence of the sense organs in the sense objects, sorrows are experienced. This can happen to anybody. Even advanced students are not spared. This is a warning for all to not let the objective mind enslave the subjective intellect if one wants to progress in spirituality. This is the common reason why seekers fail and fall. If we are not alert and vigilant and relax in our discipline, the senses take over and destroy all the joy earned by our earlier efforts. This is because of a false sense of overconfidence we have developed. This is what Lord Krishna means when he says that the turbulent senses steal away the mind of a wise man. More in the next shloka in the next video. Free book and e-book of the Holy Gita, commentary by Swami Chinmayananda, available. To understand Gita, join Chinmay Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmay Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.